Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments, and please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, please check out my book. It's in the link in my description box. Go check that book out. It may be something you want. I know it will help you, so please don't miss it. Y'all, the past 2 days we've had nothing but good news, and it's no different right now. It looks like a stimulus package is about to get passed, and it's very likely that a stimulus check will be in it. I'm talking about this on my morning video this morning. Y'all, please go check that out if you hadn't watched it already. There's tons of good news in that video. Okay, right now we're going to talk about eviction protection. If you can't pay your rent, you won't be evicted. You are protected until the end of the year. But your rent will pile up and you still owe this rent. So if you can't pay all of your rent now, do yourself a favor and pay what you can pay. It will help you a lot down the road when you have to catch all of that up. Landlords. If a landlord evicts you, they will face $100,000 fine and 1 year in jail. This protection is for the renters and does very little for the property owner. I think that's kind of bad. But then on the other hand, it's good. Now the owner can take forbearance, but will still owe these payments at the end of that mortgage. They will still have to pay property taxes every year. They will still have to pay property insurance every month and maintenance charge fees every month. Y'all, also, if you don't pay your rent, your rent is going to be piling up. On top of that, you're going to have late fees piling up. So do yourself a favor and pay what you can. I am just happy that I am no longer a landlord. I'm glad I got out of that when I did. You can still be evicted, even with this new order. For other reasons you can be evicted, like breaking things in the house, not keeping the place clean, not keeping the yards up, having people move in that's not on the lease, having people spend the night multiple times in a week where it looks like they're living there but you say they're not. So the bottom line is, some landlords will be looking for other reasons to kick you out. So I'm just telling you, be very careful. They can still evict you for other reasons other than not paying your rent. Now, you're going to have to do a little research on this, because you can't just stop paying your rent. You have to give them notice and why you're not paying your rent. And you have to kind of prove that you don't have the money to pay your rent. If you just quit paying your rent without following up with your landlord, they can still kick you out because you didn't go through the proper channels. Check with real estate lawyers in your area. Check with real estate companies in your area. They can direct you better. And that's legal stuff, so I'm not going to even try to attempt that because I'm not a lawyer. Y'all, please check out my books. It's in the description below. Please check out my other channel and please subscribe to it. It's in the description below. And y'all just know I love you all. And if something happens big today, I will make another video. But just know I love you all. You are my family. Ciao.